Hey, we're still out here practicing our social distancing. I hope you are too. Hope you're all staying home, staying safe, doing what you got to do to help out your neighbors, your family. So just keep hanging on. Working from home still, and it's getting a little old. But hey, got to do what we got to do. It's not asking too much. So just here having some fun in the man cave, and I'm gonna go ahead and try and sing me a song on the uke. So. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds outside my doorstep, singing a sweet song, melody true and pure, singing, this is my message to you. Yeah, I hope you all are doing well. Saturday night karaoke special. Stay safe, stay home, and God bless you all.